Presenting Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G. This pink gold smartphone is also available in graphite and Bora purple color variants. It is built with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. It is also available in 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Style and function that fits in your pocket. This water-resistant foldable smartphone is designed with exclusive Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the outside and the super durable ultra-thin glass on the inside. And the hinge is protected by armor aluminum. The 1.9-inch cover screen gives you more information and control. The quick shot lets you shoot a selfie right from the cover screen. Or unfold and take position with FlexCam holding up the camera, so you can get a hands-free group shot or selfie at mind-blowing perspectives. The 4nm processor works with the long-lasting 3700 mAh battery to power through the hours. When it's low, plug in for super fast charging. With all that power to spare, you can even share a charge with your friend or your earbuds with Wireless PowerShare. The box includes smartphone, USB cable and SIM tray ejector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.